Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Chris. Today we are working on the Jeep headlights. So if you guys have projector headlights, what is a projector? When you look at a headlight and it has like a glass looking thing in the front that projects the light outward, that is a projector. Today we're gonna be installing demon eyes on these headlights, but without opening the headlight itself. Usually you have to take them apart. So let me show you what we got that makes it super easy. Plug and play, it'll be like under 5 minutes. So we got here some Auxbeam LED lights. So open it up, Chris. All right, you can't see it. But anyways, here are the lights. They're just basic LED lights for your headlight. But if you can see all these weird colors on it, that's the RGB. So it'll light up the projector like a demon eye. So let's go ahead and get started. We already took the headlight off. We're gonna unplug these and put those in. One thing we have to do is run positive to the lights, and we're gonna connect that to my Auxbeam controller so I can turn it on and off. We're gonna start off by removing the headlight bulb. And I can't remove my headlight all the way because of the bumper, so we're just gonna do it here. So on the bulb, you do want to connect this extra red wire that comes in the package. This is what you're gonna use to connect to power, either to the battery straight, or we're gonna connect it to the Auxbeam switch, just so I can turn it on and off from the switch. And this is just plug and play, but you gotta make sure the plug is polarity sensitive, but this one you can switch over if it doesn't turn on. So make sure you before you put everything back together to test the light.
Like it even shows you guys.
It even shows you. Positive and negative, hard to see, but it does show you. Okay, so we're gonna pull this out. So just remove the old one. I mean, this would be way easier if you were able to take off the whole light. And all of the LED bulbs are like this, where you can go one way or the other. Positive, negative. Okay. And then we're gonna run this red wire underneath. That way it's hidden. So, and then to test the RGB out, you could just connect it to positive after you connected the lights here. There you go. So it's not super bright, but at night they actually do light up. You do get to see them. And also these, I did purchase them myself. They're not sent to me, so I just bought them because I thought it would be cool to have the demon eyes instead of having to open up the whole headlight. So the bulb just twists in like normal. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back, test the light. All right, you tell me if it turns on, Chris.
Nope.
Yeah, it does. I see it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, right.
It's bad. Look at it, guys. He doesn't believe me. Is it on? Woo, look at that. That thing's bright.
So it was connected right. I just didn't turn it on. Put this on there. So on one of the bulbs, there is a QR code you want to download first. And it comes to this app. What you want to do is turn the lights off and on. And then go up here, tap the plus, and the lights will show up. And then now we can actually change the color. They're actually pretty bright now, so I don't think it was bright at first just because it wasn't connected yet, but they look pretty sick, especially the red. It's kind of hard to see because it's so bright outside, but I mean, there it is, man. And it's not true white for the white, it's the RGB mix, so that's why you see all those colors. But we'll see at night how it looks. This is honestly pretty cool. Yeah, oh, there you go, you can see it right there. I'm actually happy with these. They're actually pretty bright. I didn't think they would be this bright. So we're gonna test them out at night and see how the actual output of the regular bulb is.
Are you gonna change it to blue and gray or what?
Nah, I'm gonna keep it red. The red looks sick too. Still not completely dark. They're pretty bright. You can honestly tell from far away that they're on. In person, I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but they look red to me. I mean, they look sick. They're actually pretty bright. These overkill the red on the camera, but like this side, it looks sick. You can see the light output's not bad on these. I mean, I have a tinted windshield, so it's a little bit darker in my Jeep, but they're actually pretty bright. So on my phone, it kind of makes it look white, but in person, they actually look really blue. They look kind of like that in person. But on the phone, it blows it out. It looks really good though. So as you can see from the light output, it's actually really good at night. It's not as bright as my previous bulbs, but it still gets the job done. I do have a tinted windshield. That's why in the video, you can actually see a difference between when I put the camera outside versus inside. The RGB itself for the demon eyes is actually pretty bright. I mean, there's no benefit to it, but it does make pictures pretty cool. So that's why I got them, just for pictures. I do recommend these bulbs if you're looking to get demon eyes and not trying to spend hundreds of dollars. I think they're probably like 60, 70 bucks for the bulbs. So not bad at all. I'll have them linked down in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.